Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do an update here for Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic right now is trading at $33.95. Ethereum Classic has shown a lot of strength. In this week so far, we hit a high of $36.99. And we are seeing kind of this candlestick forming here, which is a candle or a hanging man candlestick, where essentially the body is found at the very top. We don't see any wicks at the top either, which is a shaven top itself. So we do see a lot of pressure from the bulls, but we do see a lot of, in-day trading so far for the week itself, where the candlestick wick is overexhausted, reaching a low of $24.36. So this candlestick pattern alone is represented as a reversal pattern, especially as an exhausted uptrend. Week after week, we have seen Ethereum Classic kind of break through several resistance areas. And again, from that high of $39.89. So we are most likely going to be monitoring this in the next couple of days to weeks to kind of see what the next candlestick forms, as we need to see a confirmation of the next candlestick close below the body itself to confirm this downtrend overall. Taking a look at our indicators here, 72% of our RSI, it's still indicating some overbought condition. So we may see the price come down, especially in the body of this candlestick here. In terms of the MACD indicator that measures momentum, we can see the momentum here is kind of stagnant. We do see the color as well, but again, the histogram hasn't grown. So we're seeing that pull, that push of that slowdown in terms of that momentum, and the price may come down to an area of support. It does confirm, possible continuation bullish trend in terms of this MACD indicator line is still above our zero line. So we may see the price come down to an area of support, possibly a continuation of a pause of a consolidation. So again, we may see the price kind of going zigzag. Taking a look on our daily time frame, we do see Ethereum Classic kind of coming up and holding support around our 20 moving average, but seeing an immediate resistance line of $35.10. From that recent break from our ascending triangle, we do see the price coming down closer to that 50% at $28.42 until we're hitting that immediate resistance line. As we can take a look at our RSI, it's at 51%, and the RSI again is treated as a neutral for 51%. So the price and the RSI can continue in an uptrend or downtrend depending on the volume itself. And in terms of the volume, we have seen the volume decline in this consolidation range. So again, we are most likely going to see the price rebound from resistance, coming down to an area of support until we have confirmation either as a reversal, complete reversal from this uptrend, or it could be a continuation of this uptrend itself. Again, with the MACD indicator, we are seeing some cooling off period from the bear side, with these histograms getting lighter in color. However, when we take a look at some of the candlestick bodies, we can see that the bodies are quite small and a lot of wicks happening here, especially in the upper wick section. Now, the continuation of a retest of $35 is only going to be confirmed in this candlestick that we are right now. If we're able to close above the current body of the previous candlestick at $33.98, then it would be a little bit more realistic of a retest of the $35. However, if the bears are able to take over this candlestick day time frame itself and close below the candlestick body here at $33.83, then we may see a downward trend towards the 20 moving average around $32.74, and closely monitoring that if that will hold. Now, going into the immediate short term for 4 hours, again, a little bit more redefined on our daily time frame, but we can definitely see that consolidation happen a little bit more refined. So consolidation basically means where the price kind of zigzags, it's going sideways here, confirmation of our moving average, they're going horizontally as well. And we can see that the price has bounced from resistance at the $35 max down to the subfloor of $33. So we may play this consolidation range until we see any characteristics of candlesticks closer to that area of resistance and then coming down to that area of support. When we take a look at some of our RSI or our indicators, we do see the RSI at 52%, as previously taking a look around 50% of our RSI. Again, very, very neutral until we can see some confirmations. Taking a look at our MACD indicator, we can see that these histograms are getting lighter in color, so it does kind of confirm that cool down, especially when it comes to the bull side. They're not aggressive in taking out the market. I believe in this time right now for Ethereum Classic, a lot of people are taking a look as to, who would be a little bit more dominant in terms of the buyers, but we're not seeing that aggression. We are seeing a lot of indecision in the marketplace, and it does kind of show with the candlesticks itself, with these small little bodies, but with these higher wicks too. So we can see some pull, a tug of war pull here in terms of the buyers and the sellers, but it is going to show very heavy here in terms of the support. Take a look at some of our reversal candlesticks to see if we're able to hold on to support or if we are going to fail. So immediate short term here that we may possibly see is a breakthrough the immediate support. And if we do see that support here, then we may come down to our second line of support, roughly around the $31.29. If we do see some characteristics and volume uptake in terms of our resistance, then we may see the $35.10 break and come up to their secondary resistance level, which is around the $36.94. So that's our video here for Ethereum Classic. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below, where you see Ethereum Classic kind of overall. But again, the warning sign in the weekly time frame for this hanging man candlestick, we are going to observe it week after week going into next year as well to kind of see how this plays out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well. Leave me a lovely comment down below, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.